Always I'm having so much of pleasure in interacting with industrialists. You are creating jobs, you are creating wealth. When you create wealth, automatically government will get more revenue. Thereby we can do better welfare, better empowerment. What all we have to serve the people at most efficiently, it will happen. Not now. That is my brand from the beginning. I am pro-investment in India. Economic reform started in 1991. I became Chief Minister in 1995 first time. This is the fourth time. Combined Andhra Pradesh, now Navya Andhra Pradesh. Even I am the first politician to visit different countries to attract investment. It may be America, it may be Japan, Europe, Singapore, so many countries for that matter. I strongly believe nowadays world has become a global village. From then and today, I am seeing the difference. When I started economic reforms in 1995, at that time I thought information technology is the right way to put Indians on global map. That is how with one high-tech city, I started construction with PPP model. Today, I am very happy, day by day development has taken place. If you go to any country today, Indians are inevitable for any development. IT means Indian. For every 4 IT professionals in the world, one is Indian. Among Indians, out of 4, one is from Andhra Pradesh. That is the strength of Andhra Pradesh. That is the first mover advantage. Global brands like Isuzu, Kobelco, Mandalja, PepsiCo, Kellogg's, Alstom, Foxconn, Colgate, Palmolive, and several more are all here. Always this area is very interesting area. One side Chennai, another side Nellore, Krishnapatnam, third side is Tirupati. These 3 places are also very important places. Chennai always 55 kilometers from here, one of the best urban infrastructure. And also we were all in Chennai once, Madras Presidency State. At that time Andhra Pradesh, even Karnataka, South India totally are in Chennai as the capital. And also Krishnapatnam, Nellore, you are having one of the best ports. Chennai, there is a port. Krishnapatnam, there is a port. Tirupati, one of the best city emerging because of Lord Balaji, one of the most powerful God. I strongly believe it, living God in this century. So these are all again very, very excellent land. Educational institutions, we can add some more for human resource development. All these things are available. So we wanted to work here to make one of the best economic zone. You may not find anywhere. I want to create that. Equal to Shenzhen or better than that. All these things we are working in that direction. Anybody will go to anywhere in the world, there is Indian. If you go to posh locality, there Indians are living. All these things are happened within 25 years' time. You are seeing Hyderabad today, one of the most livable city. In India, that is the best city today. That is the infrastructure we created. Coming to this area, I really appreciate Chairman Srin Raju and also Ravichandra Sannareddy. He has done very good work here, around 8,000 acres of land. And also the way they have conceived the project, I am very happy. They have done extremely well. It is a unique project. As on today, around 8,000 acres, and also special economic zone, domestic tariff zone, free trade warehousing zone, and electronics manufacturing clusters. Everything they have established here. So far, 220 companies they are able to mobilize here. That is an amazing work they have done. 30 countries are present here. It is a unique experience. Always we are talking about bring foreign investment, everything. This is one example where different countries, 30 countries are present in one premises. Here, various industries, automotive, electronics, FMCG, food processing, and various industries are located here. And also $4.5 billion investment. Export alone, nearly $4 billion. It is a very amazing experiment they have done. Sri City is on the track to upgrade now platinum by becoming entirely carbon negative. Whenever I come here, whenever I go anywhere, I am always evaluating critically. I ask him first question. What is the rainwater you are harnessing in this area? He told me around 60%. I asked him at the earliest he had to do 100% rainwater harnessing has to be done in this premises. Thereby greenery and so many advantages will come. That is where there won't be any water scarcity. Anyway, there is no water scarcity because this SEZ is very rich in all infrastructure facilities. 3 airports, 3 ports for computation also from tomorrow onwards. Very good national highway connecting Tirupati, Chennai, Nellore, and also we are going to connect internal roads and also 3 airports, Chennai, even Tirupati, one more airport in Nellore. All 3 airports are going to come. So these are all best infrastructure we are going to provide here. Here, I am very happy the way they are working. Most livable industrial zone I want to make it. Not only I asked him what is the temperature. By coming here, temperature should be less compared to outside. People should love to come here. That is how everybody will think industrial zone, industrial area will be very hot. Here 50% country's refrigeration or air conditioning you are providing here. Then why can't you make Sri city itself naturally cooling? It is possible. Then it will be a reflection for your cooling the country. Or the industrialist, at least you are here. Every year our fire department, they are giving permission every year. I used to give once in 5 years. I used to introduce so many regulations at that time, deemed class also. Sometimes some officer may not give permission. Then you have to go on meeting him all these things. Okay, 1 year, my application I have given 30 days. After 30 days, deemed permission class I introduced. Even today, straight away I am telling you, fire department, all industries, not every year, I will restore once in 5 years, they have to renew it. Then only freeness will come, easy way of doing business will come. Last time if you can go, you can recollect. Ease of doing business, we are number 1. Not 1 year. 4 years we are number 1 continuously. During my tenure, nobody can compete with me on ease of doing business, other states. Always somebody is doing better, I will do still better. There is a scope. That is how we have to compete. Now I am talking of speed of doing business, not only ease of doing business, you have to go for speed of doing business. How to speed it up, your renewals, permissions, or service, any services you have to provide, all these things I want to do it. And also cost of production, cost of logistics reduction, how to do it. Cost effective solutions, how to bring it. This also will focus, and ultimately Andhra Pradesh will be a preferred and also very good destination for all of you. Once you land in Andhra Pradesh, you will be very happy, you will be safe, and you will get better profits compared to any other area. That is how we want to create this place.